Welcome back to Synthetic Sparks. This week, we're diving into how AI agents are flipping the script, automating your grind, boosting creativity, and reshaping the future of work. Let's spark your next move. AI isn't just answering questions anymore. It's running projects, managing teams, and reshaping entire industries. You're not just using AI, you're working alongside it, ready to meet the digital workforce of the future. Meet MindFlow, AI, your new no-code, autonomous agent builder. You give it plain English instructions and it builds digital workflows, fast. Email marketing, automated, competitor pricing, tracked, data updates, done while you sleep. It's your full-stack team without the payroll. Klarna just did the unthinkable. They replaced 700 customer support agents with one AI system. It now handles 70% of all queries end-to-end, twice as fast. The results? More satisfied customers, fewer tickets, and zero burnout. AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing inefficiency. We're entering phase 2 of the AI revolution, digital teammates. These agents don't just assist, they nudge, assign, rewrite, and adapt in real time. They're learning faster, scaling wider, and working smarter. And soon, full autonomy. Are you ready to lead them? The future of work isn't human versus AI. It's human plus AI, powered by agents you command. So here's your move. Subscribe to Synthetic Sparks for weekly insights from the AI frontier. And if you're one of the first 1,000 to sign up to the newsletter, it's free. The link's pinned in the description. Let's build with AI together.